Hello guys, so this is the second video in the part of this NMAT form filling. Very important guys. NM is little tricky. So first you have to register for NMAT by GMAC as an examination, and that is there in my first video. And then you have to separately register for NMIMS as an institute, right? You will use the same email ID or application ID which is generated during the first step, but it has to be separately done, which means if you just register for NMAT as an examination and then you don't register for NMIMS as an institute separately, then you cannot get a call from NMIMS. Remember this thing very clearly, right? So I'm sharing my screen and let's see what is the website and everything, guys. So here is the website. Extremely important. Please note down the website properly. It is nmat.nmims.hu. It is extremely important because see what happens is so many times people just write NMIMS. Take care. I'm just writing NMIMS here in my Google. Let's see. So see, first the few websites are different, like totally different. And so I still click on let's say nmims.edu. Now from here to go to the main website for the MBA is gonna be a task. This is gonna be a task, guys. So a lot of things to be searched, right? So this is wrong. As simple as it gets. Please, the best is directly click on this nmat.nmims.edu, right? My idea would always be please go through everything here, which all the campuses and everything, so that at least you would know about the college, right? Then on the right hand side, you can see apply now. So click on apply now, and it's a two-step process. Now, very important. Step one is something we have already done, guys. Is when you fill on this step one, it will automatically take you to NMAT by GMAC website. So that is step one, right? Filling that form on the MBA.com and then NMAT exam. You can directly go to step two here, which is NMIMS registration. Click on this. Now it takes you to a different form, like NMIMS, my site, blah, blah, and everything, right? And there, see, NMAT by GMAC ID, you can pick, or your registered email ID, and then your password. Remember this thing, okay? Now, the best part would be when you click here and log in, what it will do is it will automatically extract the information which you had already filled there, right? So I'll give it a shot, right? So this is my email ID. I don't know whether it will do it. I might have to separately register here. So since I did not make any payment there, once I make a payment there, it will happen, right? So the point here is a lot of information which you have filled in that form, it will be the information will be extracted from here. So everything is there. Important point will be the selection of the institute, and uh, selection of the institute and which institute is ranked at which place. So for that, I'll separately share, guys. Here we go. So just hold on. No. Okay. Here we go. I'm sharing my screen again, guys. So just little information here, which, yeah. So obviously this was a different cutoff, right? My point is in which order you should select the campuses, guys. So here is the order given. First NM Mumbai, then HR of Mumbai campus, then Digital Science of Mumbai campus, MBA Bangalore, MBA Navi Mumbai, then Digital Transformation, Business Analytics, and then Indore and Hyderabad campuses, right? So the first four programs, I would prefer you select in that order only, and then it is your choice. So that is what I really want to say, guys. So that's it. Best of luck. Thank you.